Hey guys, welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to make some very yummy picadillo. It'll be easy, fast, and delicious. The ingredients are posted right here for you, and they'll also be posted down below along with specific instructions. Alright, so to get started, you're going to peel your potato and you're going to cut it into even-sized slices. And once you have all of your slices cut up, then you're going to cut them into, I'd say about medium-sized cubes. Just make sure that they're about the same size so that they cook evenly. So that's what you want them all to look like. Now you're going to turn your heat up to medium-low, and you're going to put your 2 tablespoons of butter into your skillet. Once all of your potatoes are coated with your butter, you're going to add salt, pepper, and you're going to cover your potatoes because the steam that's created is actually going to help them cook a little bit faster on the inside. You do want to continue to stir them occasionally though, so that whenever they reach that consistency right there, then you're going to turn your heat up to about medium-high because you're going to want to crisp them and make sure that they're a little bit browned, just like that right there. Once your potatoes are ready, then you can just put them on a plate and set them aside. Now we can get started on the sauce. You're gonna want to rinse your chiles and your tomatoes very well. And for your chiles, you're just gonna give them a rough chop. It doesn't really matter because you just want them to blend a little bit easier. So that's why I did that. For your tomatoes, you're gonna cut them in half and then cut those halves into half as well. So basically quarter your tomatoes. And don't forget to add in your water and your salt. I usually do about maybe half a teaspoon. And now you just blend it all together. And now we continue with the garlic. You're going to take a clove of garlic and just mince it up or just buy it like I did. And you're going to take a quarter of an onion and mince it up as well. Once you're done mincing it all, you can put it aside because you're going to use it coming right up. So get a pan, heat some olive oil to about medium-high, and get your ground beef ready. So you just break up all the big clumps. You're going to add garlic salt and your cumin or cumin powder, whatever you want to say works. Once you see that the meat's about 3/4 of the way fully cooked, you can add in your garlic and your onions and cook it for about 3 to 4 more minutes. And there's my little pooch. Now this right here is actually optional for you guys. I like to add it in because it gives a little bit of extra flavor. And I usually add about a tablespoon of it. Now you can add in all of your sauce and just combine it very well. You're going to want to reach a boiling point. Once you reach the boiling point, then you're going to just want to simmer it until the sauce thickens up a little bit. Now just make sure that it's seasoned to your liking. If it needs a little bit more salt or garlic salt, feel free to add some more. Now your very last step is to just fold in your potatoes gently, combine it well, and you're all done.